techies! Welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. This is me again, Lizelle of Liz Tech. Now, for today's video is may panibago na naman tayong budget phone na i-unbox today. So yes, you heard it right. We are going to unbox the newly released of Huawei, and it is Huawei Y6s. And you know what, guys? This is a standout entry-level smartphone with its 64GB bigger storage. So excited na excited akong tingnan kung ano pang kaya nyo for ni Huawei Y6s this year, 2019. So without talking too much, let's start! Techies, this is a box of Huawei Y6s, and as you can see, napaka-simple lang ng box niya and wala masyadong details sa smartphone. So, buksan na natin ang box to see its other accessories. Now, as we open the box, techies, makikita mong bubungad agad yung unit, and let's set aside this first to see its other accessories. And so far, as I open the mini box, may makikita kang projector, ayan. And its other accessories, we only have, yes, the micro USB cable and wall adapter. So, sobrang cute ng wall adapter nila. So, other than that, wala na techies. So, let's go directly to the unit. This is Huawei Y6s. Let's take this cover out. And, ayan. So, as you can see, techies, medyo may kalakihan yung screen niya, no? But then, tingnan natin yung likod. And, ayan! Wow! Sobrang ganda ng likod niya. Actually, techies, this one is orchid blue. By the way, meron din tong other available color, and it's starry black. So, this one I have is orchid blue. It delivers a distinctive touch with the upper glossy part and lower matte. Maganda siya, techies, kasi napaka-simple lang niya. And nandito nga yung circular fingerprint scanner and isang rear cam. Okay, dito sa right side, nandito yung power button and volume rockers. Then sa left side naman is yung SIM card tray. And good thing sa SIM card tray niya, techies, may dual slot for the nano SIM and isang dedicated slot for the micro SD card. Sa upper part, nandito yung microphone and yung audio jack. Sa lower part naman is a speaker, ang micro USB port, and microphone. Ayan, so ang masasabi ko sa design niya, slender siya, techies, and napaka-nice yung grip niya sa hand. So excited akong tingnan yung display niya, no, kung maganda din ba. So let's open. And ayan, so as you can see, techies, ang display ng Y6s is vivid. Yung icons niya, techies, is maganda. And marami din siyang features here. Yung sa notification niya, may screen recorder siya, may eye protection, and so on. Ang nakagandahan din sa kanya, techies, is HD Plus na kasi IPS LCD yung screen niya. And here, techies, yung kanyang screen is TUV Rainland certified na siya. So, it is to protect your eyes from all around. So far, techies, yung screen niya is maganda and smooth touch naman siya. And meron din siyang Aerox technology na nagsusuppress ng file para hindi siya ganun kalaki kumuha ng storage mo. Ayan na, excited akong kilatisin siya, of course, and i-share sa inyo yung kanyang specification and its performance, special sa gaming, sa cameras, and all. So, as you can see, si Y6s is meron siyang 6.09 inches screen display. And pagdating naman sa kanyang OS, another feature, techies, hindi din nagpapatalo si Y6s. In fairness, it is already powered by MUI 9.1 based on Android 9. When it comes sa kanyang processor, this one is powered by 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. Meron siyang MediaTek Helio P35 chipset. Another thing na maganda sa kanya, techies, is meron siyang 3GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Na pagdating naman sa kanyang battery, meron itong 3020 mAh battery capacity. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko sa kanya is meron siyang super linear speaker, which is may enjoy mo na yung music mo kasi malakas yung speaker niya. Now, pagdating naman sa camera, si Huawei Y6s is meron siyang 13 megapixels sa rear cam and 8 megapixels sa front cam. And mamaya makikita nyo ang sample pictures ko. But first, is-retest muna natin to sa gaming techies kung maganda ba. So, ayan, tinest namin siya, makita nyo dyan. Sa Mobile Legends, in fairness, kaya nyo yung high frame rate and mid-graphic setting. And as you can see, smooth naman yung run ng game and very playable sa techies. And ayun, nagustuhan ko yung graphic quality niya kasi realistic naman siya. So far, maganda naman ang experience namin sa kanya. And nakagandahan din kasi sa kanya, techies, is magaan lang siya and slender ang phone. So, comfy lang siya sa kamay when naglalaro ka. And hindi siya madaling uminit. Yung kagandahan din sa kanya, techies, is loud nga yung speaker niya. So, ma-enjoy mo yung sound effect ng game while playing.
You have slain an enemy! Double kill! Never be your friend. Killing spree executed. Killing is always better. Double kill!
Ayan, tinestin namin siya sa Call of Duty and so far playable naman siya and kaya siya sa low graphic setting and okay din yung graphic quality. So, same pa rin, techies, okay at playable yung performance niya sa COD. So, isa sa mabibigat na games na yung tinatest natin pero kaya ni HUAWEI Y6s. So far, so good ang performance niya sa gaming. Impressive. Now, let's go on sa kanyang cameras. So, yan, techies, tinest ko siya sa rear cam. Hindi pa rin talaga nagpapatalo ang HUAWEI pagdating sa camera. Maganda pa rin yung performance niya sa camera, techies. Vibrant naman, detailed, and clear naman yung image, no? And, ayan. So, maganda din kasi marami siyang feature, techies. May beauty, meron siyang panorama, meron siyang HDR, meron siyang Pro. And, pagdating naman sa front cam nila, techies, ayan, makikita niyo yung performance niya sa natural cam niya. Realistic talaga, techies. So, ano yung itsura mo, ganun talaga. And kapag gagamit ka naman ng beauty effect is, ang nakaganda sa kanya, may choice ka kung pwede mong ibaba yung beauty level and kapag ibaba mo siya is hindi na siya ganun ka-exage. So, maganda yung beauty effect na ipinapakita sa camera. So, okay siya, techies. Malinaw naman yung camera niya. And, ayan, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung experience ko sa low light para naman makita nyo kung maganda ba talaga siya. Guys, this is the front camera of HUAWEI Y6s and I just woke up and I'm sorry kung ganito yung itsura ko. But anyway, it doesn't matter as long as the quality of the camera is good naman, diba? Clear siya, guys, and yeah, maganda siya. Pag nasa loob tayo, guys, ini-enhance ni HUAWEI Y6s yung skin. And yung quality naging smooth and pasensya na sa mga photo bomber. Naging smooth siya kapag nandito tayo sa hindi masyadong maliwanag. Ayan, nakita niyo naman, diba? Puti-puti ko. Tapos kapag nasa liwanag naman tayo, guys, ganyan, is, ayun, naging mas clear yung quality niya. So, maganda. Mas maganda yung quality niya kapag nasa mas maliwanag ka na area. Kasi wala siyang filter or wala siyang subtle effect. Yung kanyang stabilization, guys, is okay din. So far, techies, yung camera niya is okay naman sa akin. Pasok naman sa akin. Ayan, so techies, ititestin natin ang kanyang fingerprint scanner kung responsive ba or mabilis ba. Ayan, so naka-registered na yung fingerprint ko dito. So, tingnan natin. Ayan, so far, techies, responsive naman yung kanyang fingerprint. So, now, techies, alamin naman natin kung mataas ba yung Antutu benchmark score niya. So, here, techies, yung Antutu benchmark score niya is 93,450. So far, techies, malaki naman din yung score niya bilang isang entry level. So, good job. This HUAWEI Y6s is only worth 6,990. Yes, techies, you heard it right. Perfect na perfect ito gawing gifts for Christmas, techies, since magaan, slender lang siya, techies. Simple lang yung design, may fingerprint na siya, and malaki yung storage niya. So, para sa akin, sa 6,990 mo, super sulit na siya, techies, this year 2019. So, yun na, techies, tapos na natin tinest ang smartphone na to. You can also avail their Christmas promotion. Still up pa po yan until January 5, 2020. So, marami kang good deals din ang avail. So, join na rin kayo. So, that's it, techies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment nyo below kung saan nyo gusto i-compare ang ating HUAWEI Y6s. And don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before anything else, I would like to shout out. Ayan. Shout out ko si Rian Capasio. Hi, Rian. Bot Gambol Abrogena. Hi. Thank you so much for watching. Si Jaina Cruz. Hello. Si Rem Barola. Hi. Thank you so much for watching. And si Jeric Equit. Yan, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. Please join my Christmas giveaway, and good luck, everyone. That's it, and see you again till my next video. Bye!